So last weekend I was doing my laundry and I noticed that the drum was slipping. The belt on the drum was slipping. When I put too much laundry in, it was slipping. I could only put like a pair of underwear. So I'm going to show you how to replace a belt on this beautiful Whirlpool dryer. It's in the garage, so I don't know how it looks. So first, I'm going to get under the hood. So you have to take the lint trap out. You have to remove these two bolts, and then you can pop the hood up. Right here. You just pop these corners up, show the other one, and then you can get under the hood. Once you pop the hood, I put a piece of wood to hold it up. You're going to disconnect the electrical here. It's got two locks on it, right here and here. You have to push those. It can be kind of difficult to undo, but just work at it. You might have to put a screwdriver on those. Then you remove the two bolts. One is behind the electrical connector, right back there, and the other one is over here. Remove those two, and then you'll be able to pop the front up. So to remove the electrical connector, I take a little screwdriver and I kind of put it underneath one side, move it out a little bit, put it underneath the other side, move it out a little bit, then it should come right off. Those little locks can be a pain. Now that the bolts are off, I can pull this out. The drum is loose. I can just pull this up and it'll come off two little hooks on the bottom. That's all you do. This is the belt we're going to replace right here. This is the belt we're going to replace right here. Okay. That's the idler that the belt goes around. You're going to need to move this out of the way in order to get the belt off. Once you do that, you can get the belt off very easily. Okay, I'm going to try to move the idler bar out of the way. See, when I do this, the belt slackens. It's kind of hard with just one person. I'm kind of holding the drum up too. Got it. This just slides into this hook right here. So if it comes out, no big deal. Okay. Now that I got the idler out, I can just take the belt off. I could take the whole drum out if I wanted to clean. Just kind of hold it with the belt and pull straight out. It's just resting back here. I cleaned under there last weekend, so I don't have to clean. So I'm just going to take the belt out and put the other one in. That's it. This is the old belt. You can see how dried out it is. This is the new belt. You want to make sure that you put this spline side down against the drum so it bites into it and you can spin it. You don't want to put the slick side. This is the out. This is against the drum. Okay, I put this back in. It goes in there and down there. The belt goes up here, through here, and then it's going to have to go around here. So you have to keep pushing this, pull it. It's kind of hard until you can get it around it like that. And now it's in. Okay, is it upside down? Wait, it's upside down. Okay. Make sure, so it goes around the back side of the idler. It's kind of upside down on the idler, that's how I messed it up. Then you have to pull this and get it around. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm gonna have to straighten it out as it goes by hand until I had the whole thing go straight, and you can see now that the spline side is against this. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands because I don't want to put the front cover on and everything with my hands like this. Here's the little hook that clicks into the front side of the front. So when putting it back in, it's kind of tricky. You have to put that on both sides, move the drum up, and then you can fold this in. There. You just install the screws like we took them out, reconnect the electrical right here, and you're pretty much done.
Bye.
Okay, so I put those screws on, just fold this down, click it in, put these bolts in. I'm going to try it first before I put the bolts in, so I'm just going to put that back in. Here's a receipt from when I bought this dryer. I bought it in 2014 used for $216. So I've had it 7 years. Probably got my money's worth out of it. If I had called a repairman to fix this, it probably would have cost more than $216. Pretty easy to do. Pretty easy to fix. And boom, you can hear it turning. Thank you for watching the video, and good luck fixing your own stuff. I'll post another video next time something in my house breaks.
Have a good day. Bye.